Hey guys, what's up? MLS here, and yeah, so today we're just going to do the challenge. So the challenge is that we're going to solve the questions at W3Resources.com. So we're just going to solve the questions about Java. So well, yeah, let's get into it and solve the questions, bro. Yeah. So to see the questions, just go to your browser and write W3Resources.com and /Java exercises. So just press enter, and we're just going to start with basic part 1, and then we're just going to choose the regular expressions. Just go to basic part 1. Oh my god, they have 150 exercises with solution. So yeah, our first question is, what's that? Write a Java program to print hello on screen. Yo bro, that's very easy. To create it, just go and create a new project, and I'm going to write Java projects. And exercises. Yeah, now let me just close this window. Yeah, so our project is here. Now I'm just going to up.java. Yeah, here we go. Let's just write it, bro. So to write it, I'm just going to here, and yeah, so to print the hello world, yeah, it's just say it, just write the program to print hello world. So let me just wait for it. Why is there an error? What's the error? Yeah, and I'm going to, let's just wait. Yeah, so now system out. What's not working, bro? We need to just wait for like 1 minute to see. Okay, I'm just going to write it with mine. So we need to just say hello, yeah. So let me just make it bigger. Settings and 14. Just see, yeah, that's good. So yeah, that's our code, yeah. So let's just run it and see what happens. And yeah, our code works. Let me just make it bigger. Terminal font size to 14. Yeah, so it works. Well, here we go. It says hello. So yeah, our first exercise is just done. So our next exercise is write a Java program to print the sum of two numbers. So I'm just going to create a scanner, new scanner, and I'm just going to say System.in, and also I'm just going to import it. Import java.util.scan. So now it will work. So yeah. So now we need to just say System.out, enter first number, and then I'm going to say integer a equals next int, and then I'm just going to write another one, enter second number, yeah, and I'm going to say integer b equals scanner.next int, and then I'm going to say System.out.println a plus b. Yeah, this is our code. So let's just make it here. Now let's just run the code again and see what happens. So I'm going to enter 74 and 36. Yeah, it says 110. Yeah, here we go, it says. So the next exercise is write a Java program to divide two numbers and print on the screen. So this is the same thing, so I'm just going to say double actually, and this to double too, and then I'm just going to make it like this, and let's just do it again, like 21 divided by 3, and it says 7. Yeah, it works. So our next exercise. Oh bro, why would I do that? You know, it's very pretty simple. Just write System.out.println and just copy and paste it into the parentheses. You know, why would I use it actually? No, let me just copy this. I hate this actually. Then I'm going to say this, and I'm just going to copy this and print it here, and then the other one, and yeah, just print it here, and the other one. Okay. So let's just run the code and see what happens. Run Java, and yeah, it gives us a solution, actually the result. So yeah, that's it. So now the next exercise. So our next exercise is write a Java program that takes two numbers as input and displays the product of two numbers. So yeah, now we need to just use a scanner. New scanner and System.in, and we're just going to say System.out and enter first number, and then integer a equals scanner.next int, and then System.out.println and enter second number, and integer b equals scanner.next int. So now print just prints a dot. Okay. So let's just print a multiplied by b. Just make it 1. Actually, let me just delete this and run it again. See what happens. So our first one is 25 and 5, and yeah, here we go, it says. So that was our exercise 5. The next exercise is write a Java program to print a sum and addition, multiply, subtract, divide, and the remainder of two numbers. Oh my god. Why? So let's just write it. Actually it's a 2 number, and I'm just going to copy this tape, and I'm going to say division, and so let me just make it look beautiful. Yeah. Now run it and see what happens. So what the number is here, and this, and here we go. It prints it up. So yeah, that was our exercise 6. Now the exercise 7. Write a Java program that takes a number as input and prints its multiplication table up to 10. Write a Java program that takes a number as input and prints its multiplication table up to 10. Yeah. So we're just saying our first number, then we're just saying 4, yeah, and now I'm just going to make it I, and this to like 10 equals 10. Actually plus I, and then now I'm going to say that System.out and then I'm going to say A multiplied by E, yeah, I. So let's just run it and see the solution. So 8 and 0, 8, 16, and yeah, it works, bro. It works. I love it. I love it. So that's how it works. Yeah. So our next part, next exercise is write a Java program to display the following pattern. Actually, how to write it, bro? Let me just click here and see the solution. Oh my god, why you need to just write the stuff? No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Why you would need to just write the stuff? Actually, yeah. So this is a solution. I just wanted to watch this because I think that it will write a for loop, but it just used this print line statement. No. Oh my god, why would you do that? Oh, that's you do not need to just write this stuff, you know, bro. Yeah. So I was shocked. So let me just leave that exercise. So let's just go to the exercise 9. Write a Java program to compute the specified expressions and print the output. Yeah. Java program to compute the specified expressions and print the output. Write a program to compute the specified expressions and print the output. So just print it or something else and just write it here and just comment it out because we're going to use the scanner a lot more. Yeah, actually the System.out. and then this, and run it again. Yeah, it gives us this. So let's see the solution. It will just use a, yeah, it's just use a print line, you know. Yeah, I know it, anyway. So next thing is this, specify, just copy this and write it between the print line. So let me just write it here and just run it again. So actually, why you would do that, bro? Yep, it just prints this output. Let's just see. Yep, it's the same thing actually. So let's see the next exercise. It says that write a Java program to print the area and perimeter of a circle. Expected output is this. So let's see the perimeter of circle. Just see that, and yeah, so you use this. Let me just yeah, so this is the so yeah, I found it. You know, let's just go and write it. So I say that we're just going to use scan a lot more. So let me just get back here and let me just delete. Actually, let me just delete this for loop. Then I'm just going to write and enter the number. Yeah. So then I'm just going to here and say, yeah. So I will just say perimeter is, and I'm just going to copy this and say math.round or cell this. So let me just do it a little bit. So let me just delete this and run it again. Yeah. So it's wow. And what's the problem? Thread main Java user input mismatch exception. Let's throw the exception here. Let's just input mismatch exception. So let me just run it again. It needs to work. Oh, I found it. We need to just write a double here, bro. Yeah, that's what's the problem. Now it will work. let me just write the game. Oh god, why you do this to me? Actually, yeah, that's a problem. So let me just run the game, and just, yeah, it works, bro. It works. It says thank you. No, actually, no. Why you? What's? Let me just see the solution. So yeah, that was, oh my god. Yeah, we need to just write them to you. That's why it doesn't work. Now, well, you just write the game like Q mass.p. Yep. Actually, it. And this perimeter, and then the area is, actually the area is this. So, and then let's just write area, and let's just find the, let me just see that. Let me just see the photo, and yeah, I found it. So the problem is area is this. So now we need to just write mass.p and there. So let me just run it again. Let me just, oh, insert code. Yeah, so now it will work. Let me just write this, and why it gives us the error again. Why? Actually, what's the problem here? Trade. Actually, let me just delete this. Team. Why it gives me the error? Bro, why? Let me just do it in online Java editor. Yeah, so let's just write. It gives us exception, no such element exception. Okay, let me just comment this. And also comment this, and I'm just going to say double a equals, yep. So now I'm going to run the game. Yeah, it works. Why why is this compiler gives me the error? It works in our online Java editor. Here we go. Let me just show you. Yeah, it works. No, well, yeah, here we go. It says perimeter is this and area is this. So it works. Let me just delete this. Yeah, live, and also delete this code. Yeah. So I hate the compiler. So now the next exercise, and the next exercise says write a Java program that takes 3 numbers as input to calculate and print the average of the numbers. Average of the numbers. Calculate and print the average of the numbers. So yeah, let's just solve this. Actually, we need the integer a, and then I'm going to copy this and print it here. Yeah, so now a, b, c, d, and e. So now we need to just do actually, let me just do this. Let me just do 0, and I'm going to say while I less than 5 plus plus, actually yeah, plus plus, and then I'm just going to do this. Then I'm just going to say also I'm just going to array equals new integer 5. Say a array for, and just do this I and array.length this and array.I equals 8. And I'm just going to use another for loop, like for integer j equals 0 and j less than array.length and j plus plus, and also I'm going to say integer result equals 0. Result yeah. So then I'm just going to System.out result divided by array.length. So this is our code. Let's just see it. Actually, I'm just going to do it on k. Okay. So k, yeah, so on k. Yeah, on just delete this. And now runs the code, and let's see what happens. say 5 4 3 2 1, say 3. So let's just check it out. Let's just write it. 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1, and then divide by 5. Yeah, it gives us 3. So it worked. Yeah. So we just solved the exercise 12. So the next exercise is write a Java program to print the area and perimeter of a rectangle. So let's just solve it. So write a Java program to print the area and perimeter of a rectangle. So yeah, that's good. So to write it, we're just going to use a scanner again. So I'm just going to say with and integer with, actually double with equals and also I'm just going to copy this and paste it here, and I'm going to say height, and I'm just going to say height. Yeah. So now I'm just going to print perimeter equals height 2 plus width 2. So then I'm just going to print another one, area equals and with height. So let's just check it out. I'm going to say, oh, actually insert. Yeah, we just forgot the parentheses. Now let me just run it again. And I'm just going to say 5 to width and 10 to height, and it will give us this. Yeah, it worked. So, oh my god, our next program, our next exercise is print this text. So we're just going to use a for loops. So I'm just going to delete the scanner, and I'm just going to delete this too, and I'm just going to say for e equals 0, e less than 10, or actually 5 and 10, yeah, 5 and 10, actually 5 and 10. Then I'm just saying I++, and then I'm just doing another one like this. So just delete this, just copy this, and I'm just pasting here, and I'm just saying K and K, and this will be the 5. So then I'm just going to say System.out and K plus dot, actually wait, repeat count equals to k, and then dot repeat count equals to I. So this is our text. So let's just refresh it and see. Let's just run it and see what happens. Oh my god. No, it didn't work. So to create it, we need to just write in code like dot repeat I5 and then 20. Let's just run it again. Yeah. Actually, we need to just make it this string stars equals this like 10 times. Yeah, and then I say that System.out.println stars like 5 times. Let's see. Yeah, that's what I want. And then we say that actually is a print line, and then we'll print and print line, and then we say System.out print line, no, print this string flag equals this like 5 times. So now we're just going to say flag. Let's just see what happens. Oh good. Why do we need to just write it 2 times? Let's just see it again. Yeah, that was not my idea. Now let's just do it again. Yeah, that worked, but I want this to be not like that. Let me just do this and do this and says flag and stars, and we're just saying flag and stars. Let's just run it again. Yeah, it worked. Now we're just going to do another one. For integer a equals 0, a less than like 5, 5, 5 and 520, and a plus plus and System.out this dot repeat a. So let's just say it again. Oh my god, no. No, we need to just say this flag on Java. Now let's just say print line, print Java. Let's just make it 5. No, now let's just and if they got actually if flag dot let's use this with 2 columns and flag and Java, and print with print statement. Yeah, it's worked. Now we're just doing this, Ctrl X for like B, and I'm just going to do this, and I'm just going to do 3 times. Now let's just run it again, and class, and then System.out. Now on code. Yeah, it worked. Yeah, bro, that's the code. Yeah, so let's just run it again and see. Yeah, here we go, it worked. So you know, actually video took so long, so it's just like 41 minutes. So also, yeah, that's it. So in the next video we're just going to solve this questions too, like from 15 to like 13 or else. Yeah, so that's it. So let me just also, yeah, that's it. So well, see you in the next video. Goodbye.